Hello students, so in today's session I will explain question number 3, first 5 sums of exercise 9.4. Okay, so what we have in sum number 1 of question number 3, we have x, just a minute, we have x square minus 5 inside the bracket, and again we have x plus 5 then plus 25. Okay, so we have plus 25. Now we'll first open this two brackets, that is two binomials terms are there. So let us open this bracket first, that will give some equals to sign. Now x square, just a minute, x square will multiply with x plus 5, and with minus 5 we will multiply again with x plus 5, and then at last we will write 25. Now let's open the bracket. X squared into x would be give you x cube, plus plus is plus. Now x square into 5 will give you 5x square, 5x square. Now minus 5 into x will give you minus 5x, minus plus is minus, 5 into 5 is 25, and then at last we will write plus 25 also. Now in the following expression we see that minus 25 and plus 25 will be cancelled out because the answer will come 0. So your final answer will come as, that is equals to x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So this is a solution of sum number 1. This is sum number 1. Okay, sum number 1 of question number 3 of exercise 9.4. Now let's move on to sum number 2. So let's go to the next page. Now what is we have sum number 2? Sum number 2 we have a square plus 5 inside the bracket, then we have another bracket, that is we have b cube plus 3 and plus 5. Okay, so now we'll again open this two brackets, so that it will look like, we'll give equals to sign a, just a minute, a square, then we'll write the next bracket, that is b cube plus 3, and then we'll write plus 5. With plus 5 also will multiply b cube plus 3, and once it is done we'll write plus 5. Here it is. Okay, now we'll open the bracket. So a square b cube, this is the first answer. Now a square multiply plus 3, it will give you plus 3a square. Now we'll multiply plus 5 with b cube, it will give you 5b cube, plus 5 into plus 3 will give you plus 15, and we have plus 5. Okay, now these are the like terms, students, so we'll solve this, and the rest part we'll keep it as intact, that is a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 20. So this is your required answer of sum number 2. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 3. So we have, what we have in sum number 3, very easy, that is t plus s square, it is in the first bracket, in another bracket it is given t square minus s, t square minus s. Okay, so let's open this bracket. So with t we will multiply t square minus s, and then with plus s square also. Okay, we'll write it down. Okay, so with plus s square we'll multiply t square minus s as well. Now let's open the bracket. So t into t square would be t cube, isn't it? Now plus t into minus s, that will give you t minus ts. Now plus s square into t square would be plus s square t square, plus minus is minus, and s into s is what? S square. So you can give this as answer, or if you want to write all the terms in the exponential form, sorry, this would be s cube, students. Just a minute. This would be s cube, because s square into s is s cube. Okay, now you can give the answer in a different way also. Just a minute. Okay, that is, keep the exponential value in the ascending order, that is t cube. Then you can write s cube, because they are having the highest exponential value in this expression. And then which comes next? This s square and t square, and then you can write ts. So this is another way of giving the answer. Okay, so now let's move on to sum number 4. So sum number 4. So sum number 4 is a big sum. So that is in first bracket what we have a plus b, and what we have in another bracket c minus d, and then we have plus a minus b, and then we have c plus d minus plus 2 ac plus bd. Okay, so now let's open the bracket. So a will multiply with c minus d, yeah, and with plus b also will multiply c minus d here. Now again plus, with a will multiply c plus d, and with minus b will also multiply c plus d. Okay, and finally we'll also open the bracket, that is 2 into ac is 2ac, plus 2 into bd would be plus 2bd. Okay, so now open the bracket. A into c is ac, a into minus d is minus ad, okay, plus b into c, that is plus bc, plus minus is minus, b into d is bd. Okay, now we multiply a into c. A into c is what? ac, plus plus is plus, a into d is ad, then minus bc, and minus plus would be what? Minus bd, and at last what will come? Plus 2ac plus 2bd. Okay, now we see that there's lots of like terms are there, but there's one particular term which will be cancelled, that is minus ad and plus ad. Okay, minus ad plus ad is 0, so we have cancelled these two terms. Now in the next step we'll try to keep the ac variables together, and the one more variable could be cancelled, that is bc and bc. Okay, so we'll keep the ac terms together and bd terms together in our next step. So let's move on to the next page, that is all the ac will keep it together, that is ac plus ac plus 2ac minus bd minus bd plus 2bd. Okay, So if you add all the AC, we'll get 4AC. And if we add this 2 first, minus BD and minus BD, will get minus 2BD. And finally we'll write minus 2 plus 2BD, isn't it? Now this minus 2BD and plus 2BD would be cancelled, isn't it? So this would be cancelled. So the final answer would be 4AC. Okay, so your required answer of question number 4 is 4AC. Now let's move on to sum number 5. Okay, so this is going to be our last sum for this session, that is sum number 5. So what we have in sum number 5? So in the first bracket we have x plus y. In the second bracket we have 2x plus y. After that we have plus sign is written, and then x plus 2y. In another bracket we have x minus y. Very easy sum, students. Now first of all we'll multiply x with 2x plus y, that is x 2x plus y. Then with plus y we'll multiply 2x plus y, isn't it? So first part is done. Then we'll again write plus sign. Then with x we'll multiply x minus y. With x we'll multiply x minus y, and with plus 2y also we'll multiply x minus y. Okay. Now finally we'll multiply. We'll open the bracket. X into 2x would be 2x square. So x into plus y would be plus xy. Then y into 2x would be plus 2xy. Yx and xy are same. Okay. Now plus y into plus y would be what? Plus y square. Okay. Then x into x will get x square. Plus minus is minus, so minus xy. Okay. Then plus 2y into x will give you again 2xy. Plus minus is minus, so minus 2y square. Now is there any terms which will be cancelled? Yes, this 2 variable will be cancelled out. Okay. Now we'll try to keep all the x square with x square, xy with xy, and y square with y square. So let's go to the next page then. So what we have, just a minute. So 2x square, how many x square we are having? What was there in the previous page? 2x square will add with plus x square. Okay. So 2x square with x square. Okay. And now we'll try to keep all the xy terms together, that is 2xy and 2xy together. So it will be plus 2xy plus 2xy, and then we'll write plus y square, isn't it? So that is plus y square with 2y square minus 2y square. So plus y square minus 2y square. Okay. So we'll try to solve all the like terms individually. So this is, what would the answer of this one? 2x square plus x square. So it would be 3x square. Okay. Plus 2xy plus 2xy will give you plus 4xy, and plus y square minus 2y square will give you minus y square. Fine. So this is your final answer. I hope everyone has understood this first 5 sums of question number 3. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care.